In this video, we will talk about rolling schedules and schedule templates, how to create them, manage them, delete them, what they mean, and how they can help you make scheduling easier. Let's start by looking at rolling schedules. These are schedules including several shifts that extend over a certain period of time. First of all, let's look at how you create a rolling schedule. You can do this either by creating a shift and then click on repeat. Now you have to choose the setting of the rollout. And then when you're done, you just click on rollout. The other way to do it is to mark already existing shifts and then click on repeat shifts. Set the settings and then click on rollout. If you want to change your rolling schedule or perhaps even delete it, the simplest way to do so is to click on a shift that's included in the rollout, click on edit, and then you can change a number of things here and choose if you want the changes to apply to this shift only or all future shifts in the repetition. When you're done with your changes, you click on save. But if you would, for example, want to delete the entire rollout, you can right click on a shift that's included. Click on rolling schedule and then edit. Here you can either delete the entire rollout or you can extend the rolling schedule and choose a new end date. When you're done, you click on update rolling schedule. As you have probably noticed, all the shifts that has been created through a rollout are unpublished, and you have to publish them before the users can see them, time report them, and so forth. Now, let's move over to schedule templates. This is a function that will help you if you, for example, have a basic schedule with a lot of different shifts in it that you want to repeat. So what you do is that you have already existing shifts. I will create some now since all of these are the same. Let's see. Now you mark them like so, and then you click on this button, Create New Schedule Template. You give it a name, and then you save. Now, if you go to another interval and you want to use that schedule template, you click on this Use Template. And then you take the one and you click on Rollout. If you want to edit or delete a shift that has been made from a schedule template, you do the same kind of procedure as you would with a shift from a rolling schedule. Now you know everything about rolling schedules and schedule templates. Thank you for watching.